Hello, welcome to today's revision. So today we're just going to look at a quick revision and see how we can answer these questions that come in paper one. Okay, so let's go to number one. So number one says, find the gradient of the line which passes through, okay, I've been given points -5 and 3 and also -4 and 1. Okay, so how do we solve this question? So number one, for you to find the gradient, we use the formula. Okay, so we say this is the formula. Gradient is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so in our question, we have been given the point is. So we have the point -5, 3 and also -4, 1. Okay. So here on this point, we have this is our x1 and that is our y1. This is our x2 and we have our y2. So all you need to do is just replace these in your formula. So our gradient will be equals to, what is our y2? Our y2 is 1. So say 1 minus our y1 is what? Say 3. Say over. What is our x2? Our x2 is -4 minus our x1 is -5. So therefore the gradient will be equal to, from 1 take away 3, remain with the -2 over. So since the negative times negative, it is positive. So it's the same as -4 plus what? Plus 5. Okay? So -4 plus 5 gives us what? So this will be equals to -2, it will give us 1. Okay? -4 plus 5, it is 1. So this is the same as saying 1 into -2, it is the -2. So that is how you find the gradient. We use the formula. Okay? Let's go to number 2. Number 2 says, find the equation of a straight line passing through, we have these points. Okay? So number 2, we have been given the points 1, 5 and also 2, 10. Now, for us to find the equation of the straight line, you need to first find the gradient using the formula, this formula. Okay, so let us find the gradient. So gradient is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So on these points we label them x1, y1, x2, y2. So this will be equals to our y2, we have 10 minus y1 is 5 over our x2 is what? Is 2. So we have 2, take away x1 is 1. So this will be equals to, from 10 take away 5 gives you 5 over, from 2 take away 1 it's 1. Therefore, the gradient is what? Is 5. Now that you have found the gradient 5, we use now the formula to find the equation of the straight line, which is which is y is equals to mx plus what? Plus c, which is the constant. So now in this formula we're going to replace. We say y is equals to, this m is the gradient that we have found here. So we're going to put 5v x plus what? C. Now, we don't know the value of what? Of C. So, we need to find the value of C. How do you find the value of C? We can use any of these coordinates that you have been given. So, we can either choose to use 1,5 or 2,10. Okay. So, let us use 1,5. So, where there is y, you replace it with 5. Where there is x, we replace with 1. Okay, so we're going to say 5 is equals to 5, where there is x, you put 1, and then plus 1 to c. So this will be 5 is equals to 5 times 1, it is 5 plus c. Therefore, our C will be equals to 5. When this 5 crosses the equal sign, it becomes a what? A negative. So we say minus 5. The C is equals to 0. When we replace in our formula, we find the x plus 1 t plus 0, which is the same as y is equals to 5x. That is our answer there. Okay, hope that you followed that one. Let's go to number 3. Solve the equation. Okay, so when you are given such an equation, this is number 3, where we have x minus 1 brackets and the 2x minus 5, which is equal to 0. This is very simple. You just equate both of these to 0. Okay? So we say x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is what you do. So we say x is equal to, you correct the right terms. So this 1 will cross the equal sign. So it will be plus 1. So therefore, your x is 1. And here we have 2x is equal to 0. When negative 5 crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive what? Oh, this is positive. Okay, this is positive. So when positive 5 crosses the equal sign, it becomes a negative. So this will be a negative 5. So therefore, the 2x will be equals to, from 0 take away 5, it will be negative 5. So for us to remain with x here, we divide by 2. Even there we divide by 2. So the x will go, and the x will go. Remain with the 2 will go, we'll cancel the 2's. 2 into negative 5, the answer will be negative 2, 1 over 2. So those are the two values of what? Of x. Let us find the last question. Okay? So the last question, we just grab here. Grab this one. Okay. So question number 4. Number 4, we are solving 3, the power of x plus 3 is equal to 27, the power of 5. Now, here all what you need to do is make sure that you have the same base. So you need to change this 27 to have the 3, to have the base of what? Of the 3 here. So what do we do? So we say 3x plus 3 is equal to, we're going to say 3. So when you multiply 3 by itself 3 times, it gives us what? 27. Okay? So 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 is what? Is 27. Okay? And then in brackets, put 5 there. Okay? So now, we have the same base. So when you have the same base, just cancel this. So here we remain with x plus 3 is equal to 3 times the 5, it gives you what? 15. So when you reach here, you say, you correct the right terms. X is equal to 15, positive 3 crosses the equal sign to be negative 3. Therefore, our x is equal to, from 15 take away 3, it is 12. My students, that is how you deal with such questions in an exam. So this is paper 1, no calculator. So revise this, go through this and rewind the video, make sure that you get the concept. Thank you very much.